Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to karaoke in BandLab. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in bandlab.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to BandLab if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the left side of the screen, we have the trending, following, music and video. We also have the liked posts, albums and playlists. In the top side of the screen, we have the feed, discover, services library, and the search bar. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and karaoke in BandLab. Launch BandLab on your computer or mobile device and click on the create button on the plus to start a new project. After that, click on the import track button and select the karaoke track that you want to of course go and use. But ensure your microphone is connected and properly set up. Turn on monitoring by clicking the headphone icon next to the auto pitch button so you can hear the karaoke track while recording. Then click the record button and start singing along with the karaoke track. Use the editor to trim, cut, and adjust the timing of your vocals. Use the mixer panel to balance the volume of your vocals with the karaoke track. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.